Welcome back to English with Sarah. I am Sarah, and I am thrilled to see you here for day 2 of our 10-day shadowing challenge. Yesterday, you did an amazing job with daily basics. Today, we are moving to real-world situations.
Hi everyone, I'm Tom. Welcome to day 2. Today is all about survival English. We're going to practice phrases you will need inside a restaurant and at an international airport. These phrases will save you from feeling nervous when you travel.
That is right, Tom. Remember the rules of our channel, English with Sarah. First, listen to the very slow version to capture the pronunciation. Second, listen to the natural speed version. Third, use the deep pause to shadow the phrase out loud with confidence. Let us start.
Phrase number 1. Listen slowly. Can I please see the menu? Natural speed. Can I please see the menu?
Great. Phrase number 2. Listen slowly. I am ready to order my food now. Natural speed. I'm ready to order my food now.
Excellent. Phrase number 3. Listen slowly. What do you recommend for lunch today? Natural speed. What do you recommend for lunch today?
Perfect. Phrase number 4. Listen slowly. I would like to have a chicken sandwich. Natural speed. I would like to have a chicken sandwich.
Wonderful. Phrase number 5. Listen slowly. Can I get a glass of cold water? Natural speed. Can I get a glass of cold water?
Good job. Phrase number 6. Listen slowly. Please do not put onions in my salad. Natural speed. Please do not put onions in my salad.
Very clear. Phrase number 7. Listen slowly. This food tastes absolutely delicious. Natural speed. This food tastes absolutely delicious.
Nice tone. Phrase number 8. Listen slowly. Excuse me, I need a clean fork. Natural speed. Excuse me, I need a clean fork.
Amazing! Phrase number 9. Listen slowly. Can we have the bill, please? Natural speed. Can we have the bill, please?
Fantastic! Phrase number 10. Listen slowly. Do you accept credit cards here? Natural speed. Do you accept credit cards here?
You are doing great. Let's go to the airport now. Phrase number 11. Listen slowly. Where is the check-in desk for my flight? Natural speed. Where is the check-in desk for my flight?
Brilliant! Phrase number 12. Listen slowly. Here is my passport and my ticket. Natural speed. Here is my passport and my ticket.
Perfect. Phrase number 13. Listen slowly. I have 2 bags to check in today. Natural speed. I have 2 bags to check in today.
Outstanding! Phrase number 14. Listen slowly. Is my flight on time or delayed? Natural speed. Is my flight on time or delayed?
Great rhythm. Phrase number 15. Listen slowly. Where do I go for passport control? Natural speed. Where do I go for passport control?
Superb control. Phrase number 16. Listen slowly. Do I need to take off my shoes? Natural speed. Do I need to take off my shoes?
Very useful. Phrase number 17. Listen slowly. Which way is departure gate number 5? Natural speed. Which way is departure gate number 5?
Incredible accuracy. Phrase number 18. Listen slowly. My flight is boarding at this gate now. Natural speed. My flight is boarding at this date now.
Almost there. Phrase number 19. Listen slowly. Can you help me find my seat number? Natural speed. Can you help me find my seat number?
Excellent. Phrase number 20. Listen slowly. Where can I put my small carry-on bag? Natural speed. Where can I put my small carry-on bag?
Keep pushing. Phrase number 21. Listen slowly. Excuse me, where is the nearest restroom? Natural speed. Excuse me, where is the nearest restroom?
Beautiful. Phrase number 22. Listen slowly. I am traveling for a short vacation. Natural speed. I'm traveling for a short vacation.
Wonderful. Phrase number 23. Listen slowly. I will stay at a hotel near the beach. Natural speed. I will stay at a hotel near the beach.
Powerful. Phrase number 24. Listen slowly. Where can I collect my luggage, please? Natural speed. Where can I collect my luggage, please?
Grand finale phrase. Phrase number 25. Listen slowly. I am completely ready for my big journey. Natural speed. I'm completely ready for my big journey.
Absolutely spectacular! 25 heavy travel phrases completed successfully on day 2. You are making incredible progress, and your English pronunciation is already getting smoother.
Yes, Sarah, practicing these situational phrases creates deep confidence. If you want to master them completely, remember to replay this video tonight and practice one more time before sleeping.
Make sure to subscribe to English with Sarah, leave a big thumbs up on this video, and drop a comment below saying, Day 2 completed.
And now, get ready for tomorrow. Day 3 is going to be a total game changer. We're diving into a topic that everyone struggles with. Sarah, give them a little teaser.
Oh, you'll love tomorrow's class. On day 3, we're going to master the secrets of making a formal phone call, scheduling appointments, and handling professional business conversations without getting tongue-tied. It's going to be so exciting.
Thank you for training your ears and tongue with us today on English with Sarah. Keep shadowing, keep growing, and we'll see you tomorrow for day 3. Bye-bye, everyone.
Goodbye, everyone. See you tomorrow.